Sa pusa, dali, wala ko nang to talk to me. I'm gonna go just left and like goodbye. Have a great day. Oh my God, Sander. It feels like you don't love me anymore, Sander. You know, Franco and Jolo, they're busy playing. They're busy playing in my room with their games. Okay, Sander, have a great day or have a good night. I think it's already night there in your time. Thank you so much because I really feel that you don't like to hang out here in my live anymore. But it's okay because at least you're getting busy because it's school days there soon. August is approaching, right? And of course you're gonna be busy as a student, as a college student. Wow, sana all. Sana all. Sana all. Sana all. Thank you so much, Sander. Yeah, thank you so much, Sander. Goodbye. Hindi na si Sander nagtatambay, guys. You know, Sander change. Sander change. Nag-change na si Sander. So I don't really intend to stay long this live, guys. Okay, because I may need to sleep early, but I will try to live silent live before bed. Okay, I will try to set up something for a silent live while I'm sleeping. So I will leave you some live to watch to visit to here in my YouTube channel. I noticed, before was doing this live, I noticed that Sir Gray was being live. I think it was Graham live. He's live. Thank you so much, guys. All of you who haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please you can support me by subscribing and clicking like in this live, guys. If you like this live, thank you very much. Just give a like, guys. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm live from Philippines, Davao City. Okay. So those of you who are asking me if I speak English or Spanish, I speak only English, guys, because I'm not Spanish. Okay. But I really appreciate that nakakataba ng puso. I really appreciate that knowing that you are mistaking me as a Spanish. Okay. Yeah, I'm Filipina, guys. All right. I'm from Philippines. But anyway, I used to that.